Oh my God, they're baby armadillos. Gee. In today's episode, we're on our way out of Homosassa and heading towards Rodman Campground. We ended up shortening our stay a little bit at Rodman so we can do a quick detour for a night at our first Boondockers Welcome site. And bonus, they were Host Cascade camper owners.
Boondocking with another Host Cascade.
Woohoo! For the first time. Can I say that we're no longer boondocking host virgins now? So.
Yes!
Our first host encounter was a blast. We walked through each of our rigs, showing some of our upgrades we've done and shared stories of trips and travels. Don and Lucy were also fantastic Boondockers Welcome hosts, so if you're out in Homosassa, Florida, request a stay. Since these videos come out weeks after we've been to an area, make sure to check out our Facebook or Instagram page where we post weekly pics of where we are in more real-ish time. We'd love to catch up with other fellow truck camper owners. Well, hello. We are currently in Rodman Campground in Florida. It's about an hour west of St. Augustine, and we have our camper set up for a week stay here. Looks like a really nice park. On the other side of the road, we have a beautiful canal with some fairly swift waters. Hopefully we'll be able to do some kayaking later this week. We're in campsite 64, which is obviously on the canal side. The sites here are reasonably spaced and they're angled in such a way that you do feel like you've got a bit of privacy even if you do have somebody right next to you. Not gonna hurt you at all. It's okay. It's okay. Wow. Oh my God, they're baby armadillos. Where is your mommy?
We're going to go boating on the channel. There's a canal that runs right next to our campsite, in fact. So we're going to paddle on that for a while.
change things up a bit, we decided on a day trip to St. Augustine, which was about an hour away. Our plan was to use the trolley tour in town to get around instead of trying to park our big honkin' truck. Yeah, it was $38 per ticket, but it was also a ton less hassle. And we learned a little on the way too. Instead of heading through the shops, we immediately gravitated towards the marina, always working our way towards water wherever we go.
Those brakes look exactly like what we had at our El Paso house. Gates of Hill. So there's dragons up there.
Well, I'm doing laundry here, and look what I found. I think I can hear their mom, so I'm going to quickly get out of here so they can be back. We decided to do some kayaking by Rodman Dam. There are several fishermen over here, which is kind of cool. What is a little unnerving for me is the sheer amount of alligators in this area, but we'll take you along. There's a turtle. Big turtle. Oh yeah. But I really would like interesting clouds too. a jumpy fish.
We should go snorkeling here.
Nah. I see you. I am going to leave my wings out. Either I am drying it or trying to look really big. I'm not sure which one. That is a really big bird's nest. This bird is like a fishing champ. See you. I think this might be a popular place to fish. What do you think? Thanks for sticking around with us. And if you haven't, do that subscribe and bell thing that everybody talks about. Thanks. Have a great one.